guys, Alison with another unboxing video. So my keto support group, Keto Fitness Club, have released the Keto and Spice collection. And I've never been very good at eating spicy food, but my husband and my son do like it. So I thought by getting this, it might open me up to trying some new foods. And so I've got all the recipes in my recipe book, which you can buy on its own if that's all you want. And then I have here, I think I have my pestle and mortar. Now this is industrial strength, isn't it? Yeah, you can really hurt someone with that. So that's to grind and do my spice mixes nicely. And then I have, what else do I have? Ooh. I have my dabber, I think this is. Right. Okay, first problem. I can't open it. Right, I'm going to have to get some help with that in a minute. But that's my dabber where all my spices are going to be in. So I can then... Mark, Sandy, how do you open it? No. Well, that's good, isn't it? So meanwhile, I have some dried red chilies. I have cumin seeds. Coriander seeds, fennel seeds, mixed whole spice. Oh, this all smells divine actually. This smells divine. We have cloves. We have cinnamon. I have star anise. I kept hearing them talking about this and I had no clue what it was, so that's what it is. And then we've got garam masala, mustard seeds, ground cumin, Kashmiri chili, which is the one they all talk about, ground coriander, and some beautiful turmeric, and then 2 packets of already blended up for me, the curry blend. So what's going to happen is my spices are all going to go in the dabber if I can get it open. So that's my Keto and Spice full curry pack. You can buy the spices on their own, you can get the dabber and the pestle and mortar I think on its own, and you can get the recipe book on its own. So I'll you can also see some of the videos, some of the recipes in the free recipe library, so you can have a look and see what you like before you actually buy in. So there you go, that's going to get my food looking a little bit more spicy with Keto and Spice Keto Fitness Club.